How to switch back to iMessage from text message on iPhone. First of all, open the Message app and select the contact you want to message. Now, the send button will turn blue if you want to send it as an iMessage. If the button is green, the recipient does not have iMessage or the iMessage is turned off. Now, all you have to do is open the Settings app. Mine is already turned on, but still I'll show you the settings. Now, scroll down and tap on the apps option available at the bottom, because we will need to go to the Messages app. Now simply tap on the Messages app option available there. Then toggle off the iMessage. Once you toggle off the iMessage, go back to the text or conversation you were in. Now there, as you can see, you can type something and the send button is turned green. Now the thing is, all you have to do is toggle on the iMessage and check back again. And there you will get to see that your send button is in blue position. If it is not in blue color yet, then wait for a few moments for your iMessage to load. Then it will definitely turn into blue color. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.